Belper o'clock, snack time. I love anything that I can grate cheese on. Really, really softened pudding-like, but perfectly cooked zucchini is ideal for something like this. We've got garlic and black pepper and a perfect gradability on this cheese, and then the perfect place to receive it. So if you are craving truffle but can't get access to truffle or can't afford truffle in the winter, high white truffles, this'll do. It will grate better than any other cheese you've ever had. I'm really sorry to say that to Parm. I'm sure she can hear me. And if Big Parm can hear me, please don't arrest me or murder me. But Belper makes it nice, makes it easy. I like to brighten it. I want a little bit of lemon zest. That's a me problem, but join me. I think this is a handheld snack, but if you have manners or your parents are around, use a fork and knife like a grown-up, but I'm not doing that. So cheers. Oh, it smells good. What are we doing with life if we're not having stuff like this? Like, it's acidic, it's funky, it's got like that classic truffle-y umami. What are we doing if we're not eating stuff that's in season and enjoying ourselves? It doesn't have to be serious, it doesn't have to be fancy. It can just be really nice, really fresh, bright, umami, tangy, nice and soft. What else would you want?